So we are like this one is nothing but your data type string, and this is your array concept in the that you understood, right? How it happens. Now this is the concept actually, how the string is storing inside the in our data structure, data type. Okay, so now let's come to the your pie chart. Now print s1, print s2, right? Okay, now print s1 of 0.
Means
S1 of means
comma.
square bracket, within square bracket. Okay, that array
Okay.
concept, no array concept when you are going, that is nothing but your called slicing. Okay, so that
Okay.
slicing, how you are going to consider, you have to give a square bracket and give that 0.
Okay.
Now, no, don't give comma. That's it. No, no.
You know, next one.
Now next line.
Okay.
S1, right, enter. S2 of 4. 4. Enter. Print S1 of -3. Okay. So what you will get from here? Can you tell me? S1 means what will get output?
G comes.
No. Okay. Now tell me. First print what will give? No, 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 no. Go to that. First print S1. What it will come?
Good morning will come.
Perfect. S2.
Sarana will come.
Okay. S1 of 0.
Yes, one means you go here and you will take G, 0 for
Perfect.
first
Yes. And
array
S2. Correct.
here. Minus means 3 means I will come.
Correct.
Minus 3.
Perfect. Go there. And S2 of 4. What will come? S2 of 4.
So 4 D coming. D no, empty space.
Space.
Instead of M,
No, 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 no. S2. S2. Which is S2?
S2.
S2 means what?
Yes.
A coming, sir. This one.
S2 means Shravan, not S1. Okay, now run it. Now check whether it is coming correct or not. It will start from the 0. Okay, it will start from the
Okay.
0.
Okay. Now then correct. Now
Correct?
1 is 4. Yes, sir. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. Now write print S1 of within now give only colon.
Hmm.
Why the red mark is coming? Print spelling. S1 of only give colon.
Okay.
Oh no, within square bracket give colon. Within square bracket give colon.
Yes, sir.
Not
Semicolon. Colon.
no, not semicolon, colon. What it will give? Run it. So only colon means it will give as it is. Okay.
Okay.
Now enter. Now give S1 1:6 within square bracket 1:6. Okay, run it. What it will give? It will start from the 1. No, now go to your Excel.
Okay.
Go to your Excel. 1 is which one?
Yes.
Just
0.
highlight 1 to 6. Which one is 6? Okay, first number all the number 3 4, right? 4 5 6 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Now 1 to 6. Highlight into yellow mark. Just give color yellow. Okay. 1 to 6 is O to O. Right.
Yes, sir.
Go there. What it is coming?
O to M.
Why? M is before O, right?
Yes, sir.
So here, what is happening?
One step before will come, sir.
Exactly.
So that means it will go -1. One step, sir.
So when we are writing, giving 1 to 6, okay,
Okay.
it won't consider 6. It will give till -1. I mean, one step before, till 5 it will give.
Okay. Then you can give 12. Then it will come G11, right?
Now try that. 1 second, I have a call.
Okay.
Okay. So here colon is nothing but is giving the whole thing. Now 1:6. 1:6 means it will start from the 1 till 5th one. No, it won't include 6.
Okay.
Okay. Now, so this is how it is. Now let's say give again Shravan, print S1 1:8 1:8:2. Run it. So this is, we have given the double colon. Okay. What does it mean? So see here, the concept is the first one is the starting point. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Second one is the end point. And third one
Okay.
is the skip. That means you have to skip 2. So first one means what it will come? O.
Yes,
O.
sir.
Now skip 2. I mean, now the second position, not the +1. +1 is O. Now +2. It will do the +2. +2 is nothing but D. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So okay, now go to Excel. I'll tell you. Go to Excel. So 1:8. Now 1:8. Select from 1 to 8. 1 to 8. Give some color. Okay, so this is 1 to 8. Now, if I'm giving 1:8, what will happen? O D M space MOR. It will come like this. That means +1
Yes,
+1
sir.
+1 it will increasing. Okay, but
Okay.
but if I'm giving :2, that means it will increase +2 +2 +2. Okay, so what will happen?
Okay.
Okay, write it here. O No, in the Excel only you write
Yes, sir.
O.
Hmm.
Then what will come? Plus 2 means
Then D, sir.
D. Then write D.
M or M or
A, then D, then M.
Then M.
Write M.
R.
Then
R.
R. Okay. Then 2 is out of this one, so it will come only this. Now go there. Go to your pie chart. So it is coming O, D, M, R output.
MR.
Okay. So you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now write print S1 colon again colon -1 -1. What it will come? So here the first column means what it will come? Whole thing, as I told you before. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
First thing it will come again after the colon. There is a -1 means it will skip. That means -1 means from the opposite side. So good morning. It is reversing. This is one interview question. How to reverse a string?
Okay.
So this is a sure shot one intro question. Okay.
Okay.
So this is how you are going to. So you can practice like this. Okay. Let's give one more. Okay. Right. Print S1 -1 colon -3. What it will come? Minus 5 you write, -5 or -6. What it will come? Is it, is it coming something?
No, sir.
This reverse it is coming.
Huh?
This reverse. Good morning is the reverse.
No, that is the previous one.
Yeah.
That is the previous one. But -1 to -6 means what it will come? Go to Excel. It is not giving any output. Okay. Okay. -1 to -6 means which one? Just highlight. Write -3, -4 right here. No, write it -4, -5, -6. Now highlight some other color. So here we have given -1 to -6, right?
Yes, sir.
Actually, what is happening here? It will just increase one by one, right? So -1 to -6 in between, first -1. Then if you do +1, what will happen?
It will go with this.
It will go to G. Yeah.
Okay, let's come to the let's come to the previous one, 1 to 8. Okay, the green color. Okay, 1 to 8. So first one is 1 to 8 means what will happen? First one. Next one, how it is incrementing?
+1.
+1.
+1.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
So 1 + 1, 2. So it is going to the location 2.
Okay.
Then 2 + 1 is going location 3. 3 + 1.
3. Yeah.
But in
Then
this case, -1 to -6. Okay. So first -1. Then again it is incrementing +1. -1 + 1 how much?
0.
0. So it is not coming under -1 to -6, right?
Okay.
Okay.
That is the reason it is not giving any output. Go to now. You understood the logic?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go to there. Go to your pie chart. So here always the first one is the smaller and other one should be the higher. Okay, in 1 colon 8 means 1 is smaller, lower, 8 is higher.
Higher.
But in negative it is opposite. Which is higher, which is lower?
-1.
So you have to give -6 colon -1. Ulta. No. Here give it you want to keep this one, okay, right? Print. So here you can write the comment as, if you give like this, you won't get any output. The reason is, you understood the reason, right?
Yes, sir.
Because it is incrementing +1. That's why it is not getting. But if you give like this, now you do. Now you see. This is also an interview question. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So all clear, Masood, Mohan?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
Ah. So like this, you try to practice as much as you can.
Mm.
Okay, save it. Now, next one is list. Okay, right. L1 equal to, actually L1. So small l. No, you can give small or capital, no problem, but L1 equal to. Okay, list can be represented with the square bracket. Okay, now give square bracket. Write 10, comma 99, comma write some name. You all three are married?
Yeah, I made.
You can give something like 10 and when you're giving any string, you have to give within quote.
Yes, sir.
Remove Shravan.
Mm.
Hmm. Hmm. Then enter some few more item you can enter. Some, no, you enter few more in the list. So Shravan is not married, so maybe he has so many girlfriends, so he can enter. Give some girls name, no? Naintara, Ramaya, whatever. Sai Pallavi, okay, good. No, string you have to give within quote. Now give L2. L2 equal to, give something. Ah, 15, comma, hello. Now maybe I can give you some program like this. Give some space, all these things. So you have to remember all these things. Wherever you are going to apply the fundamental things, first you have to understand. Okay.
Okay.
So plus means
Okay, sir.
bracket, the space means like this. So like this you can do it. Okay. Now save this thing there. This last three lines only. No, come down. There. Okay. Now, okay. Now copy this. Now it works. Control A. Paste it. Now, list and string concept is similar. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
There one more thing. Okay. No, go to 1 second.
Okay, so we are taking 4, like
Yes, exactly. Now write, enter. Print x1 of 4. Print x of 4. Print x of 4 within square bracket 4. Now you understood?
yes, sir. Now I understood. Okay.
Correct. Okay, this is nothing but your list.
okay.